In this video, I will teach you how to change Facebook to Digital Creator here. So first, go and open Facebook application and then go click here on these three lines up to the right corner.
Just one more thing to set your expectations, because not all the accounts are eligible for the Digital Creator. So how can we check this? We can here go to Help and Support and choose Help Center. In here in this option, I'm going to show you how exactly to know that you're eligible or not for Digital Creator. And now here you search for Digital Creator here and choose the first option here, Digital Creator, and click on Access Creator Support from Facebook, this option here. And as you can see, this feature is only available to some people at the moment. That means that I'm not including or eligible to be or to change my account to Digital Creator.
So in that case, if I am not eligible, I can easily go here and click on No, which is, was this helpful? Just click on No. In here, what went wrong? Choose Other. In here, you can send a message to the customer support for Facebook. And here you can mention that you cannot be or you cannot change your account to be Digital Creator. So you can send them a message and explain specifically what would you like to get, and they can help you with that. So that's other solution we can follow. Okay, so I'm going back here.
Click on your account here.
So once you're here, click on these three dots on the right, and here choose Turn on Professional Mode, this option here. So these are some instructions and some information about the professional mode. If you'd like to get more info, just read these instructions, but I believe that you already know them. So here, click on Turn On. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, so here just go down, and as you can see, we got a lot of information. You can read all of these, but what we're gonna do here, we'll go up and choose Continue, this option. And here we'll go to select your profile category. We can choose a lot of these. We got as well Digital Creator, but I would go for Designer. I prefer Designer here. Once you click on it, you will be able to choose Save. Here, click on Save. So once we choose the category, just go back here and then go back once again and just refresh your main page. And here you can see Profile, Designer, and the profile being changed already. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.